Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore line spacing in your Google Docs. So you've got some text and you want to play with the line spacing and paragraph spacing. If you go to Format and click on Line and Paragraph Spacing or hover over it, you'll have a number of options. You could have single spacing, and if you use single spacing, notice that the text is a little bit tighter together. If you want to go back, the default is actually 1.15 spacing, or you can change it to 1.5 or double spacing if you're like writing a research paper. Wrong paragraph. There we go. Double spacing like you're writing a research paper. Or you can do custom spacing. So let's say you want it at 2.5 or 1.75 or whatever. You can also do things like add a space before your current paragraph, add a space after it, and add page breaks. There's a number of different things that you can do to adjust the spacing of your lines and paragraphs so that it either looks nicer or fits your specific vision and design. But that's how you do it in a Google Doc.